I'm Rajesh Kumar Dubey. I'm Managing Director of Team Aviation. And we have another company called CG Logistics, and both of us are, displaying here in the Emirates of Dubai.
Yeah. So coming towards your company,
Yeah.
how has the company evolved since its establishment?
So let me tell you that I belong from aviation background. I started my career way back in 1993 from Sahara Airlines. I was working there, and later on I started my company Team Aviation in 2007. So there was a thought process that not many consumables, expendables and parts are not available in India. We thought of setting up something, good stocking and distribution business. So we got distributorship from many OEMs. Some of them are ExxonMobil, which is one of the Fortune 500 company. So just to let you know that in India, almost 90% plus aircraft fleet is on ExxonMobil lubricant, which is being supported by us. And apart from that, we are distributors for Goodyear tires, Dunlop tires, 3M, PPG Aerospace, which is into paints for aviation. So many other OEMs we are representing here.
Right. Coming towards the India's agenda of Make in India program and the Atmanirbhar Bharat,
yes.
that is the self-reliant India.
That's correct.
What is your quick thought about that, and how Team Aviation is going to be a part of this?
Okay, so Team Aviation, I'll just like to take you through here, this place.
Sure.
We have started to develop some, parts which are being used for maintenance.
I'll come on that side.
Yeah, please come. Yeah. Some of the parts which we are, started to develop now. So this is a protector for nose landing gear. We have started to develop these in India. We have started to manufacture these. This is a cargo door tool. So this is what we have started to develop now, and slowly, gradually, this thing will go on, and we are adding on more capacity to it.
So this manufacture is done in India?
Yeah, that's correct. This is done in India.
So now that you have started this manufacturing, this is recent, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now coming towards the sustainability part, since sustainability is one of the key component right now, and it's into the focus, how are you going to inculcate that into your business, particularly that you have started this manufacturing thing in India?
So as far as sustainability is concerned, we have a good team in place already, which is of good salespeople, and apart from that, we have people who are from aircraft maintenance engineering background. Some of the people are qualified aircraft engineers who have signed the aircraft, leased the aircraft. So those are the people who are taking care of the maintenance. So they are going to be part of several segments, and they will take on this, and I'll be trying to guide them or assist them on their day-to-day activities. So that is how we are going to take it forward.
All right. Since it is day 2 of the MRO South Asia Summit 2025, how has the response been on day 1?
Oh, it has been excellent.
And what new conversations or knowledge sharing process that you had with people?
Let me tell you, we were blessed that all the industry majors, all the CTOs, Vice President Engineering, they have visited us. Yesterday it was a very busy day, as you know.
Yeah.
All of them came over, and we wanted to get their response about our services, or products which we supply to them. And I am pleased to say that they were satisfied, and they said, you grow further and support us as much as you can. And what I see more is that more and more MROs are coming up in India.
True.
And we were approached by 2-3 MROs, major MROs, who wanted us to give them consumables, some expendables, and they wanted some logistic services also. So looks like we are going to have good business in times to come.
Yeah. So any new partnerships, any new collaborations that we will be able to see?
Yes, there are a couple of them, but I would not like to name them here.
All right, it's going to be a surprise for us.
Yeah, of course.
But I think congratulations in advance for having those partnerships.
Yeah. Thank you.
Coming towards the agenda of India of becoming a $4 billion industry by 2030, do you think we are on the right track?
Of course we are.
And how is you going to be a part of this? And the overall industry is growing at a rapid speed, particularly the MRO sector. So a quick thought about that.
Okay, so let me give you that. I would say that our Prime Minister is bullish about it, and so are we. All the people who are in aviation today in India, we are very much bullish about it. Let me give a brief about where are we today as of now.
Right.
As far as commercial aviation is concerned, India is currently having close to 829 aircraft operating,
Right.
which we think by the end of 2030 would be close to 1700. That means almost doubling the capacity. Okay, so there will be huge business for everybody.
Right.
We, as ancillary companies who are going to support the maintenance and repair organizations and the aviation operators, So we are developing ourselves slowly, gradually. Apart from the stocking, distribution, and logistics services, we are getting into manufacturing as well, and we intend to set up a MRO also over a period of time, maybe down the line 2 years from now. So our team is working on that as well.
Well, now that you are into spreading into a lot of other varieties and sectors, I wish you all the best for that.
Thank you so much.
I hope you explore as much as you can in this aviation sector, and I hope that this MRO South Asia Summit is going to help you bring more, inquiries to you, more collaborations and more partnerships. And a quick thought, a quick message that you want to give out to the MRO industry out there.
Well, I would like to say MRO industry that it would be difficult initially to build it up because you may not have the ROI initially from your business, but it's going to take 3 to 5 years, and you'll see there will be a lot of business for everybody, and the business will make sense over a period of time. So it's a long-term goal. Do not lose hope initially if you are not getting that much ROI from it. Business will make sense over a period of 3 to 5 years for sure.
Absolutely. So I think consistency is something
Of course,
you
that
have
is
to
important.
keep, is what you're trying to say.
That's
here.
correct, yes.
All right, that was such an insightful conversation with you, Mr. Dubey. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
your
Durga.
time.
Thanks a lot.
And a wonderful booth you have, very vibrant, very
Yes.
colorful.
Yes.
I hope next year you have a
Life
even
is
bigger.
colorful. You must remain colorful all the time.
Yeah, and I hope you have a bigger booth next year.
For sure, for sure.
All
Thank
right,
you so
thank
much,
you so
ma'am.
much
Thanks
for
a
your
lot.
time.
Thank you.